Getting paid on autopilot is one of the best ways to earn money online. That's why in today's video I'll show you a strategy that can generate you money in passive income. It is absolutely free and it works worldwide, so anyone can join. In order to set it up properly, make sure to follow me step by step till the end of this tutorial. Just before we start, I want to remind all of you that if you haven't already, to subscribe to my channel Lady Nemia's World with notifications on, so you're going to get notified each time I upload a brand new strategies just like these ones on how to make money online, and you can be one of the first to use them and therefore make the most money. If you like this type of content, you can give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below if you have any question or opinion about this tutorial. Without any further ado, let's begin with today's tutorial so I can show you everything. So I'm going to proceed with the first step, which is to come over to this platform called Crowdfire. This is over at crowdfireapp.com. As you can see, social media management is going to be simplified with this platform because Crowdfire helps you discover and schedule content and manage all of your social media accounts from one place. So business owners or people that want to grow on social media come over here in order to use Crowdfire to manage their social media accounts. Also, they offer an app over at Google Play Store and App Store, as you can see, and also the desktop version. If you scroll down, you're going to see how it works and also some other features that it offers to their clients that are going to be relevant to us later on. But I want to also clarify that we are not coming here in order to spend money and to get our social media accounts managed. We are here in order to make money. That's why we are going to take advantage of another feature that Crowdfire offers. Anyway, you can scroll down to see even some reviews about this platform. You're going to notice that they have like more than 19 million of users. So what I want you to do right now is to just scroll down all the way till the bottom of this page, and here you're going to find affiliates slash referral section, and I want you to click on it because today we are going to promote Crowdfire as an affiliate. So you're going to refer and earn up to $420 for every customer that you bring over here. You can invite anyone to join Crowdfire and they are going to give you 30% of all payments they make in the first year. So it is in recurring commission. You're going to get paid for the first year every month from one single customer. So you're going to see that besides 30% of commissions, they are also going to pay you in cash. It's absolutely free to join. They offer you quick payouts, also unlimited earnings, because it depends on you on how much people you're going to bring on here for you to make the most money. And also you're going to get your own dashboard where you're going to track your earnings, your reports, and so on. So you're going to see how it works. You're going to sign up for absolutely free and get your referral link. Then you're going to earn for customers that sign up through your link. We're going to share and promote that link to social media platforms, to blogs, emails, in the way you want. Also, I'm going to show you a traffic source that you can use in order to promote your affiliate link, to promote Crowdfire, and you can find a free audience and also interested people that will be willing to use Crowdfire. So you can earn when they spend. You're going to earn 30% of every single payment that your customer make, and you're going to earn even while you are sleeping. So how much money can you make? You can make as much money as you want. There is no limit on the number of people that you can refer and earn from. So this means unlimited earnings. So you're going to earn on every single payment made by your customer. You're going to share your referral link, and this is like an example. Actually, your customer is going to sign up, for example, to a monthly VIP plan, which is $100 per month. You're going to earn $35 for every month for the first year, and you're going to make $420 from a single customer. So only a customer can make you up to $420, but of course you're going to refer even more, and you're going to see that they have already paid out thousands of dollars since they have been launched. So down here you're going to see happy customers, and so these are some testimonials and also you can just start right away by referring people, and you need to of course create an account for absolutely free. Just click on the join button here, and in the next page you can either join with your Google account, which is a lot faster and easier, or you can use your email by putting it manually over here. Click on continue, and after that you'll be able to put some other information, and then you're going to get access to your own dashboard. There you can track all of your earnings, your balance, also your referrals and so on. And also the most important part, at the beginning you're going to get your affiliate link. So once you find your affiliate link, I highly recommend that you go over to a platform just like Bitly, where you can short links and you're going to get big results, because your link is going to look more professional and it's not going to make it obvious the name of the website that you are promoting. So just come over to Bitly, paste your affiliate link in this box and click on the shorten button. After that, it's going to give you immediately your Bitly shorten link that you can copy and then start sharing it with people. So as I said before, of course I'm going to give you a traffic source that you can use in order to refer people over here. What you can do is to go over to social media platforms if you want to, in order to find some businesses that want to grow on Instagram, for example, and then you can just refer them your affiliate link and refer them over to Crowdfire, or you can even go over to Fiverr.com. And as you may know, Fiverr is a freelancing website where people come in order to offer some services, and some other ones are here in order to buy those services. What I want you to do over here is to search for social media manager, and you're going to find a lot of people that are offering this service. Here these people are managing other people's social media's account, and what you're going to do is to contact all of them, as many as you can, because these are going to be your potential customers. You're going to just refer them over to Crowdfire, because Crowdfire is going to help them to save a lot of time and effort, and they are going to be able to manage even more accounts at once in one place. And you're going to go over through all of the features that we saw before over at Crowdfire, and that I said are going to be relevant for us at the end. So you're going to just mention some of the great features that Crowdfire has, and after that you're going to just mention them to all of them. You're going to leave your affiliate link next to that. Of course, you're going to find as many people as you can. You're going to find the contact button, and then you're going to just communicate further with them. Also, you can go over to some other freelancing websites just like People Per Hour, for example. You're going to just find the contact button, of course, and you're going to contact them, and you're going to say that you have found the perfect website that is going to help them in order to make even more money and to save a lot of time. And they are going to benefit from it, and also you're going to benefit because you're going to make money in passive income again and again, and also you have recurring commission, so you can make money in the first year every month from just one single customer. With that said, guys, this is it for today's video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, a comment down below, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel Aiden and Mia's World with notifications on, so you're going to get notified each time I upload brand new strategies. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial on how to make money online.